Question B, if the outliers were removed, how would this affect the second question, the gradient of each line of the best fit, and you need to give a reason. So from looking at the data that we have a positive, or we can say that an increase in the expenditure. Looking at the equation, we can say that an increase in the expenditure will then increase the sale. So in terms of the graph, we have something that looks like this. So I want us to look at what those two different outliers do. If we have a gradient over there, this is without the outliers. And we have now, the first part is where we have the expenditure is high, but the sales are low. So here's a high expenditure, but low sales. So somewhere here, what that will do is that it will cause, with the outliers, it will cause our gradient to become less steep. So the value of the gradient would be less steep. But if we then go ahead and remove that, we would see that the gradient will become steeper. So if we remove that, instead of going down, it will become steeper, right? So in this case, where we have high expenditure and we have low sales, this is for our pamphlets, we expect that the gradient would increase. So now again, let's imagine the scenario with different outliers. We have one where we have low expenditure with high sales over here. So what is that doing? It is causing our gradient to be a little bit steeper. It's taking it up with the outliers. That would then mean that when we remove the outliers, we expect this to be more gentle. Right. So we will say that without the outliers, we expect that the television gradient is going to decrease.